Okay, here we go for example 1 for improper integrals. I know right away this is an improper integral because I have my infinity as one of the bounds. If I didn't have infinity as one of the bounds, you have to be careful. Maybe there's an asymptote, but here it's pretty cut and dry. We got an improper integral. So we're going to have to do the limit as b goes to infinity of the integral from -1 to b of that, 2x plus 1 e to the negative x dx. Okay, and now this integral looks like an integration by parts integral, so let's go ahead and do that. I will do u as 2x plus 1 and dv e to the negative x. du will be 2, and v, a negative sign will come out. So I have the limit as b goes to infinity. I'm going to write big brackets here, because I'm not going to do that until the very end. uv negative 2x minus 1 e to the negative x minus the integral v du negative 2 e to the negative x. This one goes from -1 to b. I always like to write extra parentheses, extra brackets, so I can keep track of where everything is. It's a good strategy. Now let me do the integral. It's negative 2x minus 1 e to the negative x, and then I have a integral of e to the negative x is negative e to the negative x. So this negative will come out, and I still have that negative. So I have minus 2 e to the negative x. I've got to evaluate that from -1 till b. Limit as b goes to infinity of negative 2b minus 1 e to the negative b minus 2 e to the negative b. I'll plug in -1. Subtract, make sure you write your parentheses. -2 times -1 is 2 minus 1 is 1. Sorry, 1 times e to the first, because it's negative x, minus 2e to the first. So let me just rewrite. Negative 2b minus 1 minus 2. I can collect those. I get negative 2b minus 3 e to the negative b. Just factoring out and collecting. And then I have minus e minus 2e is negative e, so plus e. Now I'm all good to take this limit. This limit, if you remember from Calc 1, it's probably going to be a L'Hopital's rule. So I got to write it as a fraction. This negative exponent is how I can do that. So I get negative 2b minus 3 over e to the b plus e. This is L'Hopital's rule I can do on this. I got to check it's infinity over infinity, plus or minus. The top is negative infinity. The bottom is infinity. So I have limit. I can do L'Hopital's rule. Derivative of top, derivative of bottom. Got plus e over there. Now negative 2 over infinity is 0. 0 plus e is e. And that's it.